So today we got a turbo sump restrictor for the Subaru WRX.
Damn, man.
What do you guys say about that? Hey yo, hey yo.
Damn.
I don't know how to install this.
Ask me what they gotta say about this right here.
Oh, dude. All right, so my one of my struts was making a weird noise, like when I turned. I put some PB Blast, and it looked kind of nasty now. I gotta clean it up, but it works.
You gotta buy grease.
Yeah, we gotta buy grease, but it worked for me. We have Osvaldo back in the video again. Come here, let me see you shaky shake.
Yeah.
So this is what it is. Nelson said this looks different from his.
Yeah, it looks more different. But it's the same thing.
So I don't even know how to install this.
Do it?
But you know how.
Nah.
Yeah, you're the professional.
Dude, you like my big
Damn. Damn.
Like
Let me
this?
see this.
I don't know what the hell this is.
Damn.
That shit feel good. Damn, motherfucker. Damn.
Alright, so let's get started up in this jam.
Look at that jump. Damn, pussy. God damn. I look at my grill.
Come here. Let me see, bruh. Let me see.
Huh?
Let me see. Let me see. So guys, we got another sponsor, Shine Armor. It's a waterless wash. I used it yesterday, and this thing is crazy. It's crazy good, bruh. Yeah, that's not, whoa.
Huh?
That's not good. Gotta clean that. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take off everything.
Just so we can have some more space, you know?
Yeah.
Pretty lit.
I agree with you.
That act is hard, huh?
You're going like a rock.
I know.
Alright, so now we need to get one of the fans out the way. We're gonna unbolt that.
It should be just 2 bolts and then a plug at the bottom.
Damn, pretty
Right there,
lit,
John?
pretty lit. I like that. Smooth.
Right there.
It's smooth. It's
That
smooth.
connection, that's it.
Okay,
You
that's
see how much
nice.
space you got now?
Yeah, now we can just, get ourselves in there.
Look, that's how it used to look.
That's how it used to look.
Yeah. Damn, boy, your chin is about heavy as shit. That's your butt.
Swallow, how many shares of GameStop do you have right now?
Not shit. It's really nice.
He got
How much you
AMC.
How much you get?
Me?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, you did. I had 2.5. That's a little bit. Okay, as it indicates here on the paper, you cut this hose, you cut a good amount of it, and you stick it right in there, and it's gonna be very tight. It's gonna be
like
very
it.
tight. It's gonna be very hard to come out, and then you put zip ties around it so it won't come out.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, get to it.
In our agenda, we have tight
see
holes
this
to
right
go
here?
into.
You see this?
If we mess up, I'm taking your car.
Nah, that joint's not even good on the highway right now. What are you talking about?
Well,
That joint shakes too much.
I'm taking Arlie's car then. The Audi, baby.
They have big teeth. Rabbit. Hold the light right there.
Damn. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yo, stop buying GameStop, bruh. Dr. Nelson in action.
You know.
You still buying GameStop?
Shit.
You look really like focused. You're like, hold up, man. Which option call should I do today? Okay, Nelson. Get in there, boy. Get in there, boy.
It came off. It came off. You understand me?
Oh, ho, ho. And the crowd goes wild. All right.
Hey.
What?
That joint hot, yo. Look at that. My skin got red. You just drove like 40 minutes, yo. It's joint hot.
And what are you doing?
Playing.
Let me see what you're playing. The heck is this?
This is Roblox.
Roblox. Okay. Okay.
Follow my TikToks too.
Oh, follow your TikTok. She said follow my TikTok too. All right. Follow her TikTok right here. Everyone go follow it.
They're so ass.
The Subaru clamps?
Yeah, you can't reuse these shits. Look. How the hell you gonna reuse this?
What the
I
hell?
thought they'd give you new ones. Alright, ready?
Nice.
You're gonna cut.
Oh man,
Somewhere
here
around
goes the surgery.
Yeah.
All right.
Cut hose here and install.
Okay.
Can it go anywhere?
Well, it says right there at the top. That joint makes it seem long, bruh.
I know.
It ain't that long.
How should we smell it? Smell it.
That shit went in my mouth. I can smell that shit from over
strong,
here. Did you
dude.
forget my nose big as shit?
Hell no. Right in there, just like that.
What is that? A little screw?
Yeah, this is for like if you have a. Damn, do we have to put that in there too? It's like if you have the parent AOS.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but we're not gonna run that, you know?
Yeah, maybe soon. So what, you just put that in there?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm not sure if you put this washer in there with it.
And then where are you gonna put it?
Put it right here. I'm gonna cut it right here, like measure it, and then just put it in there just like that.
Okay.
You know? Just,
Sounds like a plan.
yeah, that's a shitty butt ass cut. Look at that.
That's a whack ass cut.
No, but look at this
I would
side.
not trust you to do
Look
my
at this side.
surgeries. Oh, that's pretty.
That's boy.
Oh, that's ass. That's ass. I was like, wait, how did he get one side good and the other side is not good?
This shit gonna be so hard to put in. I'm trying.
Stick it in there, bro.
Just hitting the J because
Alright.
of the virus. And he's not that wants to look at him.
All right, so what you do? Let me see.
There you go.
All right, so you put it in there like that. And now what?
Zip tie this joint.
Zip tie. Okay.
You know.
Okay. Pretty
Do it
nice.
nice and tight, just you know.
Nice and beautifully tight, like someone I know.
Go take a dump. Just don't clog it.
Yeah, go take a dump, bro. Let me see. Let me see your dump face. What's your dump face? Show me your dump face.
I smile when I take a shit.
Yeah, this man exactly like this. He's just sitting on the toilet, not looking at his phone, nothing. Just
I know.
smiling like this.
That's so weird.
All right, so you're gonna connect it now?
Yeah, you know.
Ooh, that was good. Were you gonna cut those?
What? Yeah, and a little bit though.
Yeah, cause I don't want that joint looking like that. You know what I'm saying? All good, all good.
Good.
Damn.
It's right there. It's right here. Can't see it.
Yeah, you can't even see that.
That's good.
Beautiful,
Right?
beautiful.
You drink this water?
Who? Me? No.
Who drinks that? You like that water?
I mean, you gotta go on the plastic.
Who likes this water?
Aquafina.
That shit good.
Oh, that don't be too rough.
You be liking that joint?
You like rough, huh?
You like that joint, huh? I be drinking that Deer Park, you know what I'm saying? All right, now we gotta put all this stuff back inside. We're gonna start up the car, and then, I don't know.
Ready for this?
This joint is so ugly. Just smell. Push your nose right there.
This big nose can smell anything.
Oh, I know. Put it in there. You might sniff out all the oil.
Cause dude, when I had it before, I smelled some nasty shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it was just me. Oh!
Damn.
I deep throat. Alright. Good installation.
That was easy, right?
This is what everyone needs for stage 2. It's a must have, bro. It's a must have.
You guys must have this so you won't smell oil
Yeah.
or burn oil. It says 90% of the smelling oil or anything should be gone. So we'll see, you know. On my
Yeah.
car,
I'm gonna start going to do some pools and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, see how it is. So, hey, back up! Back up! Hold up. Alright, so look, this is the end of the video. This is a must have for stage 2. Stage 2, right?
Yeah, right, stage 2.
Stage
Yeah.
2. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to say.
Alright, make sure you guys buy it. Does it even have the name on here? Alright, it's a parent. Oh, there we go. It's a
Yeah.
parent,
The
some
part number and everything.
restrictor.
Just for you guys.
Just, you know, hit me up. Hit me up if you guys want to
Nah.
buy anything. For your car?
Do not hit
Just
him
hit
up.
me.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Go to shacobuilt.com, buy you some merch. We're about to have some we're gonna have some new drops coming soon. But right now we got shirts, we got the jacket, and then we got some hats. Weather's about to change, you know, maybe we get some shorts, some booty shorts for Osvaldo right here.
Shake that booty.
You know what I'm saying? That big old booty. Woo! Oh! Alright, y'all. Peace. Fearless.